I got something in the mail from Hatter House. I will link Hatter House below. Let's see. I think this might be the winnings that I got from her channel. Got a nice pretty blue bag. Open it up. Oh yes, it's my winnings. Yay! Some delicious car scents, a pink coconut car scent. I'm gonna like that one a lot.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Oh, you can actually smell it. And then a winter berry apple tea. Oh, I bet that's gonna be good. Yes, yes. So, I'll get them both.
Oh, is that one?
See, you guys smell that one too? But yeah, I will link Hatter House below. Thank you so much, Lori. We are going to use these right away. I'll start with the
What's the
pink
other one?
coconut. The other one is winter berry apple. So we'll save this one for
nice
winter. And then we'll do this one this summer. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. And yeah, please go check out Hatter House on YouTube if you haven't already. I'll make sure and link her below. Until the next time. Bye.